corporation in America is the major battery trading company in America was collapsed during the year 2001. What they did accounting for to make their losses. Due to that, most of the employees in the company lost their retirement savings. So, the Congress government during that time legal issue to merge the accounting for all of the company. If any person executing during the policy, those person will be what to pay the high penalty now, and also that person will be involved. And just here they are discussing about the history of the America. We are just saying it means you can't understand. So what we are going to do now is we are coming with an example in automobile industry, food industry, IT, hardware, software, and video industry. Now I am going to take about the automobile industry. The Ford is a converted company. It converted during the year 1903, founded in 1922. Previously they founded the motorcycle and they later converted to the Ford company in United Country. And they are having their own brand, the US, like Lincoln, and also it's been established a brand Volvo. So, and I want to say a story. The customer wants the car in a different color. But what I before told is, every customer can have a car in a black color only. The thing is, previously also produce a black color car only. You can buy the paint in a bulk, so you can get a profit much more. And also, it's a third also company in the world is still. Many brands that I call money.